Well, hello everyone. On previous lesson, you learned the print methods and some basic most used variable types like integers, strings, and some floats. And you learned if statements. Today, I'm going to show you the else statement, which is used with if else, and else statements. And I'm going to show you how to take input from user because we learned how to print them to the users, to the console. But today we are going to also learn how to take input from the user, and then we can do something with that input. And also I'm going to show you basic Python loops with while. So first of all, let me show you the else and if else statement. Okay, for example, we can say that banana price, okay, it is 7. Let's say banana is 7 euros or whatever. If banana price equals this, okay, when you define a variable, you want to give it a number, you put one equal icon. If you want to check if it equals to something, you need to put 2 so that Python can understand, am I assigning something to a variable or am I just checking if it's equal to something or not. This is a condition, so we want to put 2 equal signs. If banana price is, for example, 10, then print I will accept this preview. Banana price is 10. Elif, let me tell you what elif means. Elif is okay, don't show me any recommendation please right now. Google Cloud. If banana price is 10, we print banana price is 10. If it is not 10, then we will check, okay, if it's not 10, but is it 7? So banana price, if it is 10, we will print. Python checks, it's not 10, so it continues. It says elif, so it's like, okay, it's not 10, is it 7? We can also use if, right? It's like if banana price is 10, no. Banana price is 7, no. But then it takes a bit time. If you put elif, it's easier for Python to understand and run the code. Also for readability, easier to understand what do you mean by coding this. So when you run this, of course, it says banana price is 7. We can also use else. Let me show you how to use else statement. Elif, I can't write, banana price equals 3, then we can print. Let me copy paste. Python will check all of the conditions, right? If banana price is 10, it's not, okay, is it 5? No. Okay, is it 3? No. And you can actually write infinite conditions like this, right? Is it equal to 11? Is it equal to 12? Etc, etc, and it will go on and on. But sometimes you just want to check some conditions, and then you can say, okay, if these conditions are false, I want something default. Like if conditions are wrong, you want a default case that Python can use, and that's else. You just write else. You don't care about the condition. Banana price. Let me just. Oops. Actually, banana price is hard to write. Banana is a bit hard to write. Okay. Now Python has a default condition. You cannot put 2 else's. Okay. Else print, for example, error. I mean, it already gives error. It says, as you can see, invalid syntax, because it will go like this is the default condition. You cannot have 2 default condition. It's not equal to 10, it's not equal to 5, all conditions are wrong. It's not equal to 3, there is no conditions. Okay, it's just price is this. And then what about this one? You cannot have 2 safe place. Okay, so let me run this, and it says what? Oh, okay. Since this is integer, we cannot combine string and integer while printing. This is the issue. So you want to cast the type. You're gonna do typecasting. What it's actually really easy to do. You just write which variable you want to transform this one at the beginning, like this. So banana price can be integer, but Python, please make it a string for this case so that I can print. You just say Python, I know this is not a string, this is integer, but just make it string so that I can print it. Okay, so Python says okay, I can print it, and it says banana price 7 because all these conditions are wrong. Okay, let me create another block if I can. So we want to take input from user, right? Because sometimes you just want, for example, print hello, I am your computer, what is your name? So imagine that the computers are alive now, the AI, you want to talk with your computer, it says hello, I'm your computer, what is your name? You can see the output, but how do you enter your name? You don't want to code it, right? You cannot say like hello, my name is Josh. I mean, it doesn't make any sense because you can write this code, then you give this code to your friend and maybe her name is Jane, but again here it will be written as Josh. So you want to take input from the user. How do you do it? You do it like, you write, instead of print, you write input. You say input, hello, I am your computer, what is your name? Now it will take input from you, as you can see, and you can write your name, Josh, and when you press enter, it takes Josh as an input. But since this is a text, you can write anything. You also care about everything, so you may want to leave an empty space so it looks better here, and then you can print, you can assign this, for example, owner name. You remember assigning, right? We always do assigning like this. We banana price, we assign it to 7 as integer, and here, for example, we assigned is apple present variable to a boolean false, and here fruit is string apple. Here you assign owner name string to input, because input always gives you this a string. Okay, it can ask what's your height, right? You give a number, but it always casts it to string. Owner name is now equal to this input, and it's a string. You can now print owner name. Let's see. What's your name? Josh. Then it will print Josh, as you can see. So now let's imagine, let me comment this out. I commented this out. You may always need your previous codes. You don't want to delete your code immediately. You want to store them in a way, so you can put this symbol on the beginning of the sentence, so that when you run this, Python understands that this is your just taking notes. Okay, so it doesn't care about syntax or anything. It doesn't care. It says, okay, my owner is taking some notes, so I will ignore it. Now let's say input, what is your age? Okay, now it will let me assign this owner age. I don't write age, I write owner age, because maybe I used age somewhere here, so I don't want to make their name same. So you want to, sometimes you want to be a bit specific with these names. Owner age, but now I want age to be an integer, right? I don't want it to be a string. What do? I just showed you how to do casting, right? So this is string. I want it to be integer, so I write int at the beginning. That's it. Now it's an integer. And okay, imagine that it's a website, and okay, it just directly understood my my goal here. This is a website and I don't want anyone not, okay, this actually didn't understand well. I want to do something like this. If your age is lower than 18, go grow, okay? You cannot enter. Else, I want to print. I don't care about the age anymore, right? It's either more than 18 or not. I can also write else if, but else is better because I don't care about the age anymore, since it's more than 18. Else, go drink. No, I mean, you can do it, of course. You can enter or welcome it, right? Welcome. Okay, so let me run this code. What's your age? It's 7. Go grow. It's 21. Welcome. But sometimes you want to take input, okay? More input, not one. Let me also comment all of these out. What can I say? Owner number, okay. Owner number is, let's imagine computer has a number in his mind. Let's imagine this is a game, okay? I want to guess what number computer has, okay? Like computer number equals 25, okay? Computer says, hello, I have a number. I have a secret number. If you can guess it correct, you can be my lord. Okay, this is enough. I don't care. You can be my lord. And if owner number equals the computer number, you are my lord. Else, we just wanted to try again, okay? Oops, print. Come on, Google Colab, just recommend me something, okay? I don't want to write it, but apparently I need to write it. Try again. Okay, computer wants you to be his lord, so it gives you some chances, okay? You have some chances, you can guess as much as you want. But if we run this code, hello, I have a secret number, if you can guess it correctly, okay, anyway, you can be my lord. Okay, is it 24? Try again, but I cannot try again. I need to run the code again because we take input only one time. You want loop, okay? You want to say while is like if it again takes, by the way, oops, actually I wrote this wrong, but okay, since I wrote it wrong while defining and using it, it's not a problem because this is not an English, okay? My grammar, my words can be incorrect in English, but Python can understand it because we are talking in Python language right now. We don't talk in English, so it's okay. While owner number is equal to computer number, you can write here some codes, and this while is different from else because it checks this condition, then it runs this code, and then after this code is finished, it goes back again to while and checks condition again. So we want to say while owner number is not equal. This means not equal, okay? Because we want to try if it's not equal. While owner number is not equal to computer number, we want it to try again. Try again, and we assign owner number to this input again. And we need to okay, so computer number, of course, since for the sake of this video I didn't struggle with making this a secret, it will be your homework. We know computer number, but imagine we don't know it. Now it asks, hello, I have a secret number, if you can guess it correctly, you can be my lord, okay? But wait, I want to make this comment. And I will explain it after I write here. Okay, let me first write it here. So let me explain. If you correctly guess it correctly, you can be my lord. We say, is it 23? So Python will check it here, because here it just assigns the variable. Here it takes input. After we press enter, it goes to next line. Next line is empty, comment, and next line is this condition. It will check this condition. Is owner number equals to computer number? It's not equal. So what will it do? It will do, and it will enter this while loop, because it says while this is true. Which is true? It's not being equal. Okay, we press enter. It says owner number is not equal to computer number, so this is true. So enter the while loop and try again, and this time assign it to owner number again and check again. Okay, I will say 18. So now what does it do? It assigns owner number this 18, checks again. It's again, they are not the same, so it enters again. And when I guess it correctly, now owner number will be 25. It checks again, owner number is equal to computer number, so they are being not equal is false, because they are equal. So it exits from the loop. It continues running one by one, empty line, and this line, print you are my lord, and it didn't print. Okay, I cannot escape from the loop. I think it's because of this thing. Okay, I need to check, fix it. I knew it's gonna cost me something. I think this will fix the problem. Let me check quickly. Is it 20? No. Is it 25? Okay, because this is string, when Python tries to check if owner number is equal to computer number, they will never be equal, because owner number was integer. Okay, so you either, it makes more sense actually. So let me write in this way, because this is an age, you need to cast everything to integer. Okay, this is integer, and this is again an integer. You are my lord, because now all of them are integer. So thank you for watching this video. Your homework is, you're gonna play this guessing thing, but try to look for random number generator, so that you don't also know the number, and you can play with computer like a real game. Or if you want to do it like this, you can again declare this variable, but for this time your homework is use this while loop with Boolean variable, like this is Apple present, like you can say is, for example, game over. You can declare it as false, and you can write your while loop is game over thing. Please try it like this in your homework, and also give yourself a life, for example health, like 5 health, and each time you make an incorrect guess, subtract your life by 1, and if your health is 0, use if-else statements inside the while loop. If your health is 0, you can do game over, you lost. If you guess the number correctly, you can do congratulations, you won. Thank you for watching the video again, and see you on the next video.